oil, grease, and grit, also known as fog, don't mix with water. Their components are insoluble, creating slime that sticks to the interior walls of sewer pipes. Pouring fog down the drain wreaks havoc on your home's plumbing system and the valley's water supply.
When fog enters into your home's sewage pipes, the sticky buildup gradually chokes off the flow of wastewater to the treatment facilities that treat and reclaim millions of gallons of reusable water each day.
You may not see the underlying damage because cooking oil and grease are usually still warm and fluid when they're poured down the drain. But once the fats and oils solidify, they float to the top of other liquid in the sewer pipes, adhere to the pipe walls, and create blockages.
How is the flow of wastewater eventually affected if fat, oil, grease, and grit are continuously poured down our kitchen drains?
Well, our collection system is a lot like the arteries in your body. When you are eating fats and cholesterol, you're going to get those clogs. The sewer lines are the same. With all of that fat and oil and grease that gets poured down the drain, you could have sewer backups in your home. And that's pretty bad. It's expensive and it's messy. What's worse is when it happens out in the street and the environment and we have wastewater that then gets released into the environment. Our goal is to keep all of that wastewater in our pipes so we can get it here to treat it.
The Clark County Water Reclamation District and the cities of Las Vegas, Henderson, and North Las Vegas maintain extensive collection systems of several thousand miles of pipeline underneath the streets. These pipes deliver wastewater from homes, businesses, and schools to treatment facilities.
Each day, more than 100 million gallons of wastewater are treated to very high levels until suitable for reuse and safely returned to the environment.
Southern Nevada uses reclaimed wastewater to irrigate many of our community's golf courses and parks. We also receive return flow credits from the Colorado River system for returning treated wastewater back to Lake Mead. This extends our existing water resources. In fact, Southern Nevada is one of the few communities in the U.S. to recycle nearly 100% of its water resources. Recycled water has both environmental and cost advantages, which is why the Clark County Water Reclamation District, Las Vegas, Henderson, and North Las Vegas ask residents to help keep fog out of the community's wastewater system.
We have our Pain in the Drain educational campaign, and that's our big umbrella educational campaign. We have little mini programs under it. And really it's designed to educate our community on what should not go down the drain and what should not be flushed down the toilet. Really, our toilets and our drains are not trash cans, and there's a lot of things that we tend to put down them that really should go into the trash.
Instead of pouring things like salad dressing, sauces, and butter down the drain, the Pain in the Drain campaign encourages residents to just can it. Line your can with paper, pour in your waste, let it cool, and then throw it away.
Don't be a pain in the drain. Keep your home plumbing clear of fog and help to protect our water supply. It's simple, safe, and sustainable. For a list of items to keep out of our sewage system and for information about how to properly dispose of fog and other chemicals, visit paininthedrain.com.